As we mentioned a bit earlier in the program, United Healthcare helped lift the market today after reporting better than expected results. Its shares rose more than 5%, and it was one of the 3 blue chip Dow members to post quarterly results. The others were Johnson & Johnson and Goldman Sachs, and the results were mixed.
United Health Group reported net profit of more than $2.5 billion. That's more than expected, and UNH raised guidance through next year. Its revenue up almost 9% to more than $50 billion. Might have been up even more, but UNH says withdrawing from the Affordable Care Act markets took away $1.6 billion in sales. Still, its insurance revenues are growing, as are revenues in its Optum Medical Services Group. Optum is the biggest healthcare IT provider.
The prescription drug prices are out of control. The drug prices have gone through the roof.
President Trump's latest comments on drug prices have the caution lights flashing for some drug makers. But Johnson & Johnson, whose biggest business is prescription drugs, wants you to remember the other side of that story.
The overall cost of health care is a topic we should be talking about, but drug prices represent only 14% of overall health care costs, and what's lost in the discussion is the immense benefit that they provide to patients, and they actually reduce or help reduce the other 86% of the cost that we're not talking about.
J&J said prescription drug sales were up 15% in the third quarter to more than $9 billion. It posted top and bottom line beats, and J&J is raising its 2017 earnings guidance for the third quarter in a row. Goldman Sachs also reported better than expected earnings, though its fixed income, currency, and commodity trading sales dropped 26%. That drop, however, was not as bad as many analysts feared. Some of its other businesses are faring better. Equity returns remain up around 10% for the year, and Goldman says its investing and lending business has doubled so far this year.